Hi everybody, this is Andrew Masters from FIBO Group and welcome to my weekly Forex report. To kick off the week on Monday, the focus will be on the European session with the release of the import price index from Germany, which is a key indicator of consumer confidence and should create some volatility in the euro. In the American session, we'll see the personal consumption index from the US, which is also an important indicator of consumer confidence, and a few trading opportunities are expected in the US dollar. On Tuesday, during the Asian session, we'll see the release of the retail sales figures from Japan, which came in at minus 1.5% last month and shows the Japanese economy is still struggling, and another poor number may put pressure on the Japanese yen. In the European session, we'll see consumer price index from Germany, which came in above expectations last month at 0.3%. and another good round of figures should see the euro receive a boost. On Wednesday, the focus will again be on the European session with the release of the latest unemployment rate from Germany. The number came in at 6.1% last month, and although not great, has been steadily falling over the last 6 months, and a continuation of this trend should see the euro benefit. Also during the European session, we'll see CPI numbers from the Eurozone, which should also create some volatility in the euro. In the American session, we'll see GDP numbers from Canada, which have been struggling recently on the back of weak oil prices, and we may see the Canadian dollar come under pressure on the back of more poor figures. On Thursday, during the Asian session, the market will await retail sales figures from Australia, which hit the market last month at 0.1%. This release will be closely monitored by the RBA, as most analysts expect a rate cut in the nearest future, and we expect volatility in the Australian dollar. During the Asian and American sessions, we'll see market manufacturing PMI from France, Germany, the Eurozone as a whole, and the US. All numbers came in above 50 last month, which shows the sector is moving forward, and another round of strong figures should lend some support to the euro and US dollar. On Friday, during the European session, we'll see the producer price index from Germany, which has been on the rise over the past year on the back of the ECB stimulus program, and another good number should spell good news for the euro. The highlight of the day will be in the American session as the market awaits a non-farm payrolls figure as well as the unemployment rate from the US. This is the last major release before next month's interest rate decision from the US Federal Reserve, and a good number will almost guarantee a rate hike. So this news will be closely monitored, and we expect extreme volatility in the US dollar. That's all from me at FIBO Group, and I'll see you all next week.